How to detox your kidneys naturally, backed by doctors and research. Are you feeling fatigued, bloated, or just off? Your kidneys might be overloaded. These two fist-sized organs filter nearly 50 gallons of blood per day. But what happens when they're overwhelmed with toxins? Today we'll explore how to detox your kidneys naturally, using evidence-based methods backed by real medical research. Stay to the end for one powerful herbal tip that nephrologists are now studying. Subscribe for daily, science-backed health content designed for longevity, energy, and organ health. Why kidney health matters. Your kidneys filter waste, balance fluids, control blood pressure, and regulate electrolytes. According to the National Kidney Foundation, New York, USA, 1 in 3 adults is at risk for kidney disease, and many don't even know it. A 2021 study from Mayo Clinic Proceedings, Rochester, Minnesota, emphasized that early lifestyle changes can dramatically improve kidney filtration and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Top 7 natural ways to detox your kidneys. 1. Hydration is number 1, but not just water. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys flush waste. But more isn't always better. According to Harvard Health Publishing, Boston, Massachusetts, adults should aim for 2.7 to 3.7 liters/day. But overhydration can also stress kidneys in vulnerable populations. Add a slice of lemon to your water. Citric acid helps prevent kidney stones. 2. Eat more cranberries, but choose unsweetened. Cranberries reduce the risk of urinary tract infections and inflammation in the kidneys. A 2019 review in Nutrition Reviews, Oxford University Press, UK, concluded that cranberry extract reduces bacterial adhesion to urinary tract walls, reducing risk of infection and stone formation. 3. Limit sodium, the hidden toxin. Sodium causes fluid retention and high blood pressure, 2 major contributors to kidney damage. The CDC, Atlanta, Georgia, recommends adults consume less than 2,300 milligrams per day of sodium. Most people consume nearly double that, unknowingly. Breads, processed meats, and canned soups are often hidden sodium bombs. 4. Eat potassium-rich foods in balance. Bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach all support kidney function if your kidney function is normal. According to the National Institutes of Health, Bethesda, Maryland, potassium helps balance sodium and reduce hypertension, easing the load on your kidneys. If you have reduced kidney function, high potassium can be dangerous. Always check with your doctor. 5. Try herbal detox aids backed by clinical data. Herbs like dandelion root, nettle leaf, and parsley have shown diuretic effects, helping flush excess fluids and waste. A 2022 study in Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Amsterdam, Netherlands, found that dandelion extract increased urine output in healthy subjects, supporting its traditional use as a kidney tonic. Always buy standardized herbal extracts and consult your doctor if you're on medication. 6. Cut processed sugars and artificial sweeteners. Excess sugar increases insulin and inflammation, damaging delicate kidney tissues over time. In a 2020 study from Johns Hopkins Medicine, Baltimore, Maryland, diets high in fructose and artificial sweeteners were linked to early onset kidney disease. Swap soda for herbal teas or infused water. 7. Exercise, sweat out the toxins. Physical activity helps blood circulation, reduces high blood pressure, and improves kidney filtration. Cleveland Clinic, Ohio, USA, recommends at least 150 minutes per week of moderate aerobic activity to protect kidney health. Exercise also reduces the risk of diabetes and hypertension, 2 of the leading causes of kidney failure. Do you need a detox? Signs your kidneys may be struggling: constant fatigue, swollen ankles or face, foamy or dark-colored urine, trouble concentrating, muscle cramps at night. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIDDK, Bethesda, Maryland, these could be early signs of kidney dysfunction. Quick recap. Top 7 ways to detox kidneys naturally. Stay hydrated. Add lemon. Eat unsweetened cranberries. Limit sodium intake. Eat potassium-rich foods, only if safe. Use natural herbs like dandelion and nettle. Avoid sugar and sweeteners. Exercise regularly. Final words. Your kidneys are your silent warriors, working 24/7 to keep you alive. Return the favor by making simple, natural changes. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below. Which tip will you try first? Subscribe for more doctor-approved health tips for living longer, feeling better, and aging powerfully.